Bluetooth hands-free link lets drivers easily make and receive phone calls without taking their hands from the wheel or their eyes from the road. If your vehicle has the display audio touchscreen like this, here's how to make calls. After you've paired your phone, the phone book has been automatically imported. The easiest way to make calls is to add contacts to the speed dial list and assign them a voice tag. Start by touching the phone icon and then speed dial. Next, select New Entry. Then choose whether to import the number from the phone book or call history, or to enter it manually. Follow the appropriate prompts. When the speed dial number is stored, you'll be asked to create a voice tag. Select Yes and follow the prompts. Now, you can call a speed dial number by just pressing the talk button and saying the voice tag. You can also make calls using the display audio touchscreen. From the home screen, touch the phone icon. If your call is for someone in your phone book, touch the phone book icon. When you find the name you want, just touch it and dialing will start automatically. If you know the number you want to call, touch Dial from the phone screen. Use the keypad to dial the number and then touch the pickup icon on the display audio. When a call comes in on your paired phone, the incoming call screen will appear on the display audio. If the caller is in your phone book, you'll see the caller's name. To answer the call, you can touch the answer icon on the display audio or the pickup button on the steering wheel. And to decline the call, touch Ignore on the touchscreen or press the Hang Up button on the steering wheel.